Good morning. I hope you are enjoying a beautiful day wherever you are. So in New Orleans, February can go like either way. It can be like cold, dark, and raining, or it can be like today, which is going to get up to 75 degrees. And I think it's going to be just beautiful, which is nice because today Mardi Gras is starting to pick up its pace. You know, I think that people often have one idea of what Mardi Gras is like, and I always like to present the alternative idea, which is just like a burst of connected, fun creativity that just implodes the city. Today, and can be very family oriented. Today, there's a parade called Little Rex, and Rex is one of the largest, oldest Mardi Gras parades in New Orleans. Little Rex is this cool, rather new invention where people take cardboard boxes and they build these intricate, delicate, tiny little floats, which they have to pull. I mean, they're like the size of shoe boxes, and they are pieces of art. They are remarkable. They are beautiful. It is so fun to see them. So later today, we'll head down to the French Quarter to see those masterpieces. In the meantime, welcome to Unit 2, The Science of Gratitude. I love this unit, and I believe my love for this unit can actually be described by the neuroscience of gratitude. So Hebb's law is, and you've learned about that in a science class, says that essentially what we pay attention to grows. And one metaphor that's given is that, you know, when you walk through a forest for the first time and there's not a path, you have to work really hard at it. You know, you have to maybe take a machete and actually create a path. But the more you walk through it, naturally a path becomes embedded through the forest, and it gets easier and easier. Well, practicing gratitude is the same way, right? Sometimes we have to put intentional practices into place so that we don't miss the good things around us. But as time goes on, if you are putting gratitude practices into your life, then you naturally start to pay attention to the good stuff around you. I think that's why I love this unit, because in these 3 weeks, because we're talking about gratitude nonstop, I become more intentional about it. It definitely impacts my life, and I hope it does the same for you. We'll see. You'll let us know. Okay, couple nuts and bolts. All right, wait. First, one other quick thing. Let me actually get out of the sun for this. At the end of this unit, you are going to travel to the World Happiness Summit, where you're going to have the chance to be a presenter at the conference on happiness, focusing on the science of gratitude. So what's fun about this is when I first built that assignment, I had researched and found the World Happiness Summit online. I had never gone to it. I guess it was last year I wrote a grant, was able to go, and have to tell you, it was a life-changing, very moving experience. So much so that I'm going back again this year. So as we wrap up this unit, I'll actually be packing my bags to go to Miami for the World Happiness Summit. And guess who the keynote speaker is this year? Dr. Martin Seligman. So I'm going to take a lot of videos and send you stuff during my time at that conference. All right, now I'm ready for some nuts and bolts. I wish y'all could all go with me. Wouldn't that be fun? A field trip to the World Happiness Summit? All right, first off, when you, after you watch this, direct message me and just share maybe 2 of all the points I'm going to share, just so that I know you got through the whole video. 1, today is the day that you go through the calendar. I like to skim through I would suggest skimming through the whole unit at the first week of it, but especially this week. Late penalties. If you need an extension, got it. Yeah, life happens, right? I wish I had all of your reflections on the survey completely done. My goal was to have them done on Friday. Guess what? I still have 4 more to grade. I'm loving reading them. I'm slowly processing them, so it takes a little bit longer, but I needed an extension. So just let me know when you need that, but the essential piece to it is letting me know ahead of time. The hangout this week, we're gonna have one hangout that spans for the whole 3 weeks. So we got to keep it organized. And the way you keep it organized is when somebody asks you a direct question, this will make more sense when you look at it, make sure you do a reply to them and that you don't start a new thread. That's how we'll keep our discussions in small blocks. There is a Zoom ahead, scroll through, find it. What I'm sure you're learning in this process is that getting those scheduled ahead of time is essential because you guys have crazy full schedules. Person A is in charge of setting it up, but if somebody else gets on that Google Doc and sees your group and wants to go ahead and try coordinating, it's